presentation of Chapter Socket and Accessories. By clicking on the icon Ratchet, Sockets, and Accessories, you get into the subcategories where you can find different types and dimensions. Ratchets, sockets, and accessories are divided by the size of the square drive, which is measured in inches. Unior offers sockets and accessories in drive sizes of 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. Additionally, in this subcategory you can find impact sockets. These sockets are designed to be used on pneumatic impact wrenches, and a separate category for the ratchets. We made a separate category for ratchets because ratchets are also used on special sockets, such as sockets with special profiles for bike servicing or special sockets for automotive repair, which are not included in this category. By clicking on the 1/4 inch size category, we open a subcategory with all ratchets, sockets, and accessories that have a 1/4 inch size drive. We offer different types of sockets. Mainly, they are divided into 6-point and 12-point. Both types are further divided by length, short and long type. In addition to sockets intended for regular nuts and bolts, we also offer sockets for special applications, such as sockets with an inner TX profile or swiveling sockets for work in hard-to-reach places. This subcategory also includes 1/4 inch bits of different profiles, such as hex, Torx, PH, PZ, flat, etc. By scrolling further down, you can find accessories such as extensions, universal joints, adapters, and more. At the end of this subcategory, you can also find all sets that include 1/4 inch drive tools. 1/4 inch drive tools are most commonly used for lighter work. In automotive repair, they are used for interior work and work on exterior plastic parts. They are also used in other services, such as for the servicing of domestic appliances and so on. At the 3/8 drive dimension, we have a very similar range of products, different types of sockets, special profile sockets, and bits. 3/8 drive sockets and accessories are also used for lighter work in general service and maintenance, automotive repair, etc. The subcategory is similar to the 1/4 inch one, with different types of sockets and accessories. 1/2 inch ratchet sockets and accessories are the most commonly used ones. They are used as the go-to size in automotive or motor maintenance and repair, and also for any other application. This category has the most subcategories and will be explained in more detail. By clicking on the 1/2 inch category, you open the subcategories of this drive size. The main types of sockets in this category are 6-point and 12 short sockets, 12-point long socket, 12-point socket for safely working at heights, long and short version of insulated sockets, and the inner TX profile socket. At the 1/2 inch drive size category, we offer the largest range of different accessories and attachments. Here you can find the screwdriver socket with Torx, ZX, PHPZ, and flat profiles. By scrolling further down the page, you can find all the ratchets and accessories available in this drive size. The 3/4 inch and 1 inch ratchets, sockets, and accessories are mostly used for heavy-duty applications, such as truck repair and maintenance, construction and farming equipment, railway work, and so on. In this category, less attachments are available compared to smaller drive sizes due to the fact that different bit attachments are not used in this line of work. By clicking on the ratchet icon, we open a subcategory of ratchets. As previously explained, they are separated by size of square drive, as you can see by the attributes on the top of the page. Each size has different types of ratchets. The 1/4 inch drive size ratchets are available in 3 different types: a standard ratchet of 157 mm length, a flexible ratchet of 180 mm length, and a ratchet with a 1/4 inch hexagonal drive for bits with a length of 157 mm. All 1/4 inch ratchets have a 40-tooth mechanism. The 3/8 inch drive size ratchets are available in 6 different types: standard ratchet of 200 mm length, a longer version of 260 mm length, a flexible ratchet of 260 mm length, an insulated ratchet, and 2 types of special purpose ratchet with fixed sockets. All 3/8-inch ratchets have a 75-tooth mechanism. Half-inch ratchets are available in 8 different types. A standard ratchet of 260 mm length, a flexible ratchet of 320 mm length, a ratchet for safely working at heights, 2 different types of insulated ratchet. All these ratchets have a 75-tooth mechanism, 2 different types of one-way ratchet, which are intended for more heavy-duty work and have 24 teeth, and a special heavy-duty ratchet. 2 bigger ratchets in our catalog are the 3/4-inch ratchet, which is available at a length of 500 mm and has 24 teeth, and a 1-inch ratchet, which is available at a length of 665 mm and also has 24 teeth. By clicking on a chosen ratchet, we open the page with all the necessary information about it, such as the dimensions, production process, and standard, surface finish, and used material. All Unior ratchets and sockets are made from high-quality 25Cr MO4 material, better known as chrome molybdenum alloy. This material has high tensile strength, and it has lower susceptibility for cracking. On this tab, you can also find information about the chemical content of this material. Ratchets, sockets, and accessories are always used in combination. The most common combination is socket plus ratchet. The socket is attached to the square drive of the ratchet and is held there by a locking mechanism. To detach it, we have to press a knob on the back side of the ratchet. This releases the locking mechanism. If we have enough room to work, we attach a shorter extension for more comfortable work. To get to distant bolts and nuts in hard-to-reach places, we can use a longer extension or combination of extensions. In places where we have to approach the nut or bolt at an angle, we can use an extension with a ball end, or we can use a universal joint. For some drive sizes, swivel sockets are also available. If there is room for attaching the socket, but there is not enough room to comfortably work with a standard ratchet handle, we can use a flexible ratchet. For nuts and bolts that are old, damaged, rusted, or otherwise hard to tighten, it is better to use a sliding T-handle for the initial quarter turn to break the bolt loose and then switch to a ratchet for more comfortable and faster work. In such cases, a swivel handle can also be used. It is longer than a ratchet, so we can achieve more torque, and it can also operate at an angle. It can also be used in a straight position as a screwdriver. In some cases, we are forced to use combinations which don't have the same size square drive. In that case, we use adapters. Adapters are available in different sizes and for different purposes. With adapters, you can combine smaller sockets with a bigger ratchet or vice versa. However, we recommend being very careful when using adapters. It can happen that we exceed the maximal allowed torque for the ratchet or the socket and damage the tool. For extremely heavy-duty work, such as loosening wheel bolts or other very tight bolts, we recommend using our new heavy-duty ratchet in combination with sockets and accessories.